Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the project with your target resolution and frame rate. Once done, import all clips, music, and graphics by dragging them into the media panel or using import. This keeps things fast. Make sure to rename important files and group similar assets into bins so you don't search mid-edit. Next, drag your main clip to the timeline. Trim the in and out points immediately to focus on primary content. These first actions set pace and prevent messy timelines later. Now you refine the edit. Cut with the razor, then use ripple edits to close gaps quickly. Once clips are arranged, apply transitions sparingly and add speed ramps where motion matters. This keeps rhythm without distracting. For visual polish, apply a color LUT and tweak exposure on the color panel. Don't forget to keyframe scale and position for smooth motion, and add audio keyframes or duck music under dialogue so levels stay balanced. These middle steps create professional flow and clarity. Finish by rendering a preview, then export using H.264 with a target bitrate around 8 to 12 Mbps for 1080p. This balances quality and file size. Make sure audio peaks sit below 0 dB and enable hardware acceleration to speed exports. Once exported, review the full file for sync or glitches. If you encounter stuttering or dropped frames, clear Motion Ninja's cache. Lower timeline playback quality and re-render the sequence. That usually fixes performance issues without redoing edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.